of Craft Corner. Now today you might notice that we're not in our Craft Corner, and that's because we're going to be making a Nickelodeon slime kit. The thing is, if we get that on our carpet in the Craft Corner, that won't come out. And this is a little bit more of a messier, craft. So I have a trash bag taped down on the floor, and how I'm going to do this is I'm just going to read the directions, of course, and so I hope you guys can follow along. I would suggest parental supervision if you're younger than 6 years old, or you are 6 years old, because that's what it says on the box. So let's get right to it. So here's the slime kit that we're going to be making, and I'm super excited to start it. It's Nickelodeon slime. It says here that there's a neon slime and a glow-in-the-dark slime. Today I'm going to make the glow-in-the-dark slime, and if we have time, I'm going to make the neon slime. So let's get right to this.
So this kit, I think it has everything we need. It has these two little green and pink paint things that you can use, and then I think this is the stuff that makes it glow in the dark that you put in the slime. And then we have the slime activator in this little bottle right here, and we have some clear slime glue. I'll just show you guys this. Then we have a bowl and one of these measuring things and a little container to keep it in. So I think that that's everything we'll need for this. If I need anything else, then I'll just fast forward the part where I'm going to get it. Here, I have an apron on so that I don't get messy. So, first directions say measure 15 ml of clear glue using a supplied measuring cup and pour it into the bowl. Scrape down the walls of the cup to get as much of the glue as possible. Tip to remove the last contents of glue from the bottle. Flip the bottle over and let the glue drain down towards the cap. Measure. Okay.
So this is for the, I don't know exactly which one I'm making. I want to try to make the glowing one today. So okay, so I'm going to take the clear glue and I'm going to measure 5 ml, which I think is milliliters, but I'm terrible with that type of measuring stuff. I mean, we're learning it in school, of course, but I'm not very good at it. Is it open? Gotta get something, Mama? Yeah. What? Trail mix. Okay. So guys, I think I got as much.
Bueno, se le parte, señor.
Bueno, se la parte, señor. Guys, so I have Trail mixo. I have the amount of glue in the bowl that I need, so I'm gonna go to the next instruction. It says, okay, so now I'm going to measure 25 ml of water that's room temperature and pour it into the same bowl as the glue. So I'm gonna go get some water from the sink, and I'm gonna rinse out the cup because there's a little excess glue in it, of course. So guys, I got the water, and I'm going to pour it in. Let me just make sure it's 20. Yeah, it's exact. Wait. Oh, I was measuring the wrong thing, wasn't I? Like at 25 ml. Yeah, I did. Already turning into the slime, even though it's just mixing the paint in. Did I do something wrong? I don't I did anything wrong, but I mean, I kind of just eyeballed the amount of paint. So it says to mix until fully blended. So I'll see you guys when this is fully blended. It is fully blended, so now let's look at the next one. Measure 5 ml of slime activator and slowly pour it into the same bowl while stirring slowly with the slime stick. Always use the slime stick to stir. Do not stir with your hand. You will see the mixture get thicker and the solution will absorb. Stir until all the solution is absorbed, and you can take some time. This can take some time. Keep stirring. Okay, there we go. That looks like a good amount. So I don't think it says to add any more than that. So I'm going to obey the rules because I've seen the not Nickelodeon, but I've seen slime kit things that show you how to make slime, and people don't follow the directions, or they just eyeball it or do a little more, a little less than the kit tells them to, and it doesn't end up well. What is this thing? Yeah. So, just go. Woo! Guys, you have to see this. Here, hold on just a second. I'm going to give you a load of this. Okay, I'll just mix it like this. See it forming? I only did 5 ml and barely even that. So that slime activator sure has a lot of whatever they put in it to make it like that. But that didn't take as much time as I thought it would, but it looks like it's gonna be a really nice jiggly slime. So you guys, I would really recommend this slime kit, any of the Nickelodeon slime kits, because I haven't even done any of the other ones, but this one is just so good, and I really enjoyed making it. And it's simple and it's easy, and it has all the supplies you need, literally all the supplies you need except for water. Everybody has water at their house, and you only need a little bit of water, of course, in the end. So I really would suggest this. I really like this slime kit. Oh gosh. Guys, this one doesn't stink. I really like this kit. So this is the slime, and it's super jiggly, and I haven't checked if it's glow in the dark yet, but it's so fun to play with, and it squishes. And listen to the poking noise. And it's a really good amount of slime. And watch this, you guys. Hold on. Don't think it'll make bubbles if you try to make it, but it's see-through as well. So I honestly could not ask for a better slime. I really am excited with how this went. This is a lot better than some of those unicorn slimes or mermaid slimes that you can get, like slime kits that you can buy at the store and do. This one is it's really successful. So I really would, not a sponsor, but I really would recommend these Nickelodeon slime kits. They are so good. I've never done one of these before. This is my first one ever doing it, and it's so good. I promise you guys, you saw in the making, what that Nickelodeon slime did, and I followed all the directions right. So make sure that you follow all the directions, and you have parental supervision, even if you are my age or older than me, I guess. In making this, but of course I got some in my hands, but yeah. Make sure that you're careful and stuff doing it, but I really like this slime a lot, and it's because of the slime kit, of course. So yeah, I'm really excited. I'm really happy about how this ended up, but I'm gonna put it in its little container now. It comes with a little like ketchup container, so that's cute, of course. And they have you make a good amount of like this little slime so that it'll fit in the container. But make sure that the container is like airtight when you close it. So yeah, but I almost forgot. Now let's go check and see if it glows. So guys, I'm in the bathroom right now. It's the only room in the house that doesn't like have a window other than our upstairs bathroom. I was closest to the downstairs one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off the light and I'm going to keep it in this container, and I might take it out if it actually glows. So, you guys, it glows! Oh my goodness! The slime actually glows. Okay, I can't see it though. Look at this. Is that like not awesome? It literally glows. I want to get this out and play with it. It glows! How amazing is that? Okay, I am like stunned. Shook. I'm shook right now. I'm really happy with this slime. Here, let me hold it up to the light for a few seconds. Okay, now that I held it up to the light. Whoa, now it's really glowing. You guys, this is so cool. Sorry, it's hard to see it, but this is a slime. And it glows in the dark, and it looks so cool right now. I can't even, like, look. You can see it from back here. Yeah, that glowing thing, that's the slime. I'm shook. And I would really, really, really request these Nickelodeon slime kits. So, bye, and thank you so much for watching this video. This is probably like the best craft corner that I've ever made, and it's only the second one. So, thank you, Nickelodeon slime kit. This is like really cool. And see you later.